what land is required.
The state government has been asked to immediately conduct an aerial survey to find out the availability of illegally mined coal outside the designated depots, complete the entire process of sealing the mine openings, and urgently implement the approved schemes of various departments to offer alternative sources of livelihood to the coal miners. These recommendations and much more were made by Justice retired B.P. Kataki in his 26th interim report. The committee recommended the immediate implementation of the decision to conduct the aerial survey to locate coal outside designated depots apart from the quantity seized under the provisions of the MMDR Act of 1957. It said the availability of such coal would indicate continued illegal activities, including mining, sale and transportation. Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma today unveiled the foundation stone for the